Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a Liftmaster Garage Door Keypad not working. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why the Liftmaster Garage Door Keypad isn't working. Number 1. Dead batteries. Number 2, connectivity problems, or number 3, wiring problems. Here's how to fix these issues. Change the batteries. Over time, the batteries can become weak or die. To fix this, open the battery compartment. Then swap out the old batteries for fresh ones. Ensure they are properly installed. If this doesn't work, reset the keypad. If there's a connectivity problem or you don't remember the PIN code, the keypad won't work. To fix this, find the Learn button on your opener. Then hit and release the button. Key in your new PIN code, and lastly, push the Enter key. If this doesn't work, check the wiring. Detach the back casing from your keypad, then check the wires for any looseness or damage. Fasten any unattached wires. If there are faulty wires, get new ones. Then reattach the back panel. And there you have it. Follow these steps to fix a Liftmaster Garage Door Keypad not working. Thanks for watching. Till next time.